Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets.
Yeah, it's like saying a sentence and then say this whole thing, but learning to stop halfway through.
There you have pistachio popcorn. It has pistachio nuts in it. I have the nuts in it and all the pistachio flavor. And this is a new flavor for me. So, new flavor alert. Woo, woo, woo. Pistachio. You can order pistachio popcorn and all my other flavors at Shondas Edible Delights.bigcartel.com on my website. And you can follow me on all social media. We're on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and we also have a Telegram channel on Telegram. So don't miss me, and we're on Telegram Tuesdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Fridays 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, like I said, once again, I thank you guys, and you all have a great night.
Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we have it all.